Oftentimes, as accordion players, we want to play songs that aren't written for the accordion. This is a normal occurrence. One of my students asked a question for the song I Will Survive by Gloria Gaynor. Which left-hand rhythm would you suggest? I mean, how would you play the left hand of the song? Fantastic question. This is an answer to the student, but I thought let's share it with everyone. I'll point out another resource. On Accordion Love, I have a whole section called How to Learn a Song with a Complex Bass Rhythm, where I give multiple examples, like Mr. Blue Sky. There's a video titled, Which Rhythm Do I Choose for This Song? Have a look at that section. I'll leave a link in the description. But for I Will Survive, you can Google the chords for I Will Survive. Any site will give you the chords. Wonderful. Once you know the chords, hold them and sing along to them, right? At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Didn't know how I was gonna live without you by my side. Cool. As I'm doing that, that sounds okay. It seems like there are a few parts to this song for I Will Survive. Each song is going to be handled differently. I Will Survive has a slow part, right? Da 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 ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. As soon as my foot starts tapping, that means to me, introduce a rhythm, a kind of driving rhythm. Let's give that a try. So for the beginning, if we continue with the same sustain, I think it's going to be dead. Right, it's lacking. I'm going to change the voice on my accordion. But it feels like we need to tap our foot. It needs to be driven a bit more. I know the alternate bass technique. I know normal oompa. I like the alternate bass technique though, so that would be my suggestion to perform the song. Smaller voice. If you have a smaller bass. Yeah, that feels... It feels like it's like it's taking a step in the right direction. Alternate bass technique. Let's see. That's one option. Again, when I was exploring other songs, this feels a lot like Those Were the Days, My Friend. Similar kind of feel. Slow verse, uppity chorus. For Mr. Blue Sky, for Get Lucky by Daft Punk, you could also subvert the expectation. You could do... Right, so here I'm doing a waltz. Unexpected. That's not how the song was recorded, but because we're playing the accordion, it works. I could do a tango. So again, you can be playful with it. I like the tango. Depends if you're playing for yourself. Depends if people are singing. If you're singing, right? I like the solo. play around with it. There's no right answer because, again, the song wasn't written for the accordion. It's up to you where you want to take the song. Explore what feels good to you, what you can do, what's capable for your playing style, and what's fun to listen to and to play. I'll leave you with that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.